Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can enable your AirDrop on your iPhone. First of all, you have to swipe down on your top right corner. After this, you will see a panel here. Click on the empty space. You don't have to click on the symbol. Now you can see a AirDrop which is off. So you have to just click on it. There are three options here. The one is the receiving off, which means no one can send you through AirDrop. Another one is contacts only, which means only those persons which are in your contacts can send or AirDrop you. Third one is everyone for 10 minutes, which means that anyone in your surrounding can send you through AirDrop within the limit of 10 minutes. Now select one of you want. Now after doing this, you can go back and check what you want to send. For example, I want to send notes. I just open notes. I will select this, whatever it is. Okay, now you can see a AirDrop button. Click on it. Now if there's person nearby you or the person you want to send the AirDrop, the person will pop out here and you can send them directly.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.